Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review for this really nice kitchen playset that I just put together. So let's dive right in and see exactly what we get here. So we have some bowls. It comes with 2 bowls here, 2 plates. We got some apple juice, some milk, salt and pepper right here, a couple of pots and pans and skillets. We got some utensils, knives, spatulas, things of that sort. And then up here we have the play microwave, and then a clock up there, right? Some space for you to hang different things. I think this is probably for the utensils, maybe. Yep. So let's go ahead and just put these right up here while we're at it. Okay, and then once we go a little bit below, we can see that we have the play area for the different knobs to turn on, stove, which obviously doesn't really turn on, but it is a good emulation of it. And down below here, we have 2 kind of storage cubbies. This one right here is supposed to be the dishwasher, I'm guessing right here. So I think this thing is really nice. It's super high quality. Like I said, this is solid wood, so you don't have to worry about plastic or any other type of materials that may leach and may be harmful to your child. So I definitely think that is a plus. Now let's look at the manual right here. The manual is kind of a 1-pager right here, and everything is laid out in picture form, and things are color coded too. So if you can see here, the doors here are blue, right? The sides here are brown. If we look here, doors are blue, sides are brown. So they really do try their best to, make the instruction manual very intuitive. Oh, and I forgot there's actually some extra virgin olive oil right here. And then of course, this is the sink, right? But overall, this thing is really high quality. One, the assembly took me about 45 minutes. Most people will probably take anywhere between an hour and 2. I did use a drill to expedite the process. It doesn't come with tools, but all you'll need is a screwdriver. So the assembly is not bad. You're looking at solid wood. It's going to be safe for the kids, and overall it comes with a lot of different stuff for your kids to kind of start having some fun. The only thing that you probably have to do is add in some food and things like that, like get a set of like fruits and vegetables and things like that, so they can start experimenting and get creative. But like I said, overall, this is a really nice set, right? So it definitely has my thumb of approval. I highly recommend it. And so go ahead and check it out, and I'll check you guys on the next review.